So what are we eating today? For lunch, we're going to eat at a restaurant called Shunde Lo that specializes in Shunde food. Shunde food is famous for being the origin of Cantonese cuisine, emphasizing fresh ingredients and authentic flavors through minimal seasoning and cooking methods like steaming, poaching, and light stir-frying. For dinner, we'll eat at Asian barbecue. Dishes today include stuffed three treasures, peppers stuffed with shrimp, shrimp cake, and fish cake, pickled pork parts, oyster and clams in steamed egg, slow-cooked Cantonese fish soup, giant oysters, lamb kebabs, duck blood with vermicelli, baby razor clams on bed of salt. Day one of our food tour in Shenzhen was incredible. We ate a lot of great food, and the key was all the dishes were different, which was really incredible. It was very hot. We're lucky the sky is mostly overcast, so walking around is not too bad. We did caught in the rain for a little bit, but then we came out of it. In any event, we're on day 2 of the Shenzhen food tour. We're going to find a lot of great places to eat, and I'm looking forward to trying new dishes, because part of the goal is to really try to eat stuff that's a little different. And again, I'm delighted to have my brother Denny and his wife Jenny with us, because obviously they're the key to make sure they order food that we normally wouldn't get ourselves, because we really wouldn't know about them. In any event, a lot of good food, but there's always room for more. So this is the breakfast at the Palace Hotel. It's actually pretty good, and it comes with the room, so. Chinese vegetables here, green beans, beef with green beans, some wings here, fried Shanghai noodles, got congee, selection of fruits, some egg here. They actually have pig's ear. There's an omelet station here. Onion rings, you got sausage, a variety of dumplings here. Here's some buns here. And wow, look at this. So we made it just in time because they were closing at 2:30.
Hi everyone. We're actually, in Lowu, which is the original border town between Hong Kong and Shenzhen. We're at this restaurant called, we're at this old hotel called Century Plaza. It was the original 5-star hotel when China opened up in the 1980s. Unfortunately, the hotel is gone, but there's a new restaurant here that specializes in cuisine from Shunde, which is a part of Guangdong. Shunde is spelled S-H-U-N-D-E. We actually probably, we might actually go there, later on. But we're gonna, we'll be showing you exactly what we're having. The Shunde cuisine is actually, pretty famous. So more to come.
Okay, this is a pickled pork parts. A lot of different parts here. They pickled it. It looks really, really tasty actually. So we're looking forward to digging into this right now. Okay, I'm gonna try this piece here. This thing has, like, you can see some of the fat, the gristle. I like this kind of stuff. This is the kind of stuff I always enjoy eating. This skin is so tasty. Oh, that's so good. A nice savory taste to it. So tasty, wow. Okay, this is a pickled bean curd with spare ribs. Interesting. Okay, this is the big spare rib. Actually, it's a very light batter. It's actually a very subdued taste, so even though it's kind of fried, it's not too bad.
It's called stuffed three treasure. What you have is pepper stuffed with, some combination of, I think, mainly shrimp. You get, you also have like shrimp cake, and then you have fish cake.
This is the shrimp cake. I'm eating it because Dad can't, because he'll die. Don't look at how I hold my chopsticks. It's really good. It's like lightly pan fried, I think. Just a lot of shrimp flavor. It's really good. It's pretty big. Hello. Yeah, but really good. Sorry you can't eat it. I feel bad for you. It's good. Mm-hmm.
Oh, even the fried rice has shrimp.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how much you can.
Wow, that's really good. Really fresh, as Dad would say.
Just green beans. Nice. There's actually some pickled pork there, I think. So it's good. The string bean with the minced pork. Look at that.
Oh, you back?
Tasty.
Everything is delicious.
What's been amazing is that every dish is different. Even the stuff we had yesterday, what we're having today. So getting great variety. Again, thanks to my brother Denny, his wife Jenny. Without them, we'll be eating beef chow fun probably all the time. Here's the mix here. There's nice dry shrimp here, so I can eat this. Yes. Dry shrimp. It's a big dry shrimp. Wow.
You know, I can't have I'm allergic to crabs.
You are?
It's like chives.
But
Wow.
I can't eat crabs.
You eat Papa
I eat lobster.
You know, Danny.
So the name of this restaurant is Shunde Man. So it's like Shunde Lo, which is like man. So that's the name. Okay, here's the Sunday special fried rice. The bad news for me, this looks awesome, but there's shrimp in it, so I can't eat it. Boo.
Slow cooked Cantonese soup. It's supposed to be good for your indigestion. Fish soup. Yeah.
Okay, fish soup.
It's called slow cooked fish soup.
Okay, food keeps on coming. This is an oyster with steamed egg. Look how beautifully it's presented. My God, look at that. Look at that nice juicy. Looks like really spicy sauce in the end here. So, wow. Look at when these.
Hey, this one has is that a mussel or a clam? Looks like a clam, no?
Yeah, this looks like a clam. Here's the egg and the clam. Wow, that egg has this really. It's silky smooth. Has a really nice texture. Then it contrasts heavily with the clam, which is like salty. Nice taste to it. Oh, good. This is sauteed mushrooms.
Oh, that's
This is sauteed mushrooms. So wow, so chewy, so bouncy, really flavorful. So good. So the check came out to 698 yuan. That's an incredible price for such a great meal here.
This is like duck or goose, and what they're doing is they, after putting spice, they're hanging it and they almost like the humidifier, drying it, so when they are ready to like roast it, skin would come out nice and crisp.
So we're starting to see restaurants that now cater to people from Hong Kong, like stuff like roast pork, stuff like that, because we're right in the border of Hong Kong and China. We haven't seen that until right now. This is the classic dim sums, again catering to the Hong Kong people who come over from the border. So up ahead is one of the largest and most expensive malls here in this area. So we'll see its high-end shops there. So as I walk by here, I'm happy to say I'm hearing a lot of Cantonese. Even though I speak very poor Cantonese, I can understand a lot of the language here. All right, this is the most exotic food we've seen here. It's the Colonel. There's some incredible snacks here, but I'm going to save my appetite for the dinner. It's so loud here. It's overwhelming. So we are in search of food. Gonna wander around a little bit, see what's out here, and grab some food. It's beautiful right now. The sun is down, so it's not as hot. It's really pretty here. It's hard to believe that over 40 years ago, this area was kind of a fishing village. And what happens that the government really wanted to develop this area to be a global technology center, and that's what they've done. So the lights and everything now, it's amazing. In many ways, it reminds me a lot of Shanghai, actually. There's so many electric scooters here, it's crazy. We're dodging these things all day, so. Looks like we might be eating an ancient barbecue. Looks pretty hopping in there. They have a lot of skewers and stuff like that here. It's always a great time to see a lot of people out there enjoying themselves. It's a little hot to be eating outside for us, but we'll eat inside. All right, ancient barbecue it is. Okay, here are the cooked oysters. That looks really amazing. Wow, they're huge. People have this giant oyster, look at that, whoa. And I'm gonna try to bite it in half first. Ooh, hot. Wow. That's a really juicy oyster. Wow. There's juice in it, so. Wow, it's like a rush of seafood taste here. No, it's good. Look at that. Wow, that's really good. Okay, we think these are the lamb kebabs. But look at the nice spices. It's nicely skewered and grilled. Ooh, looks good.
But it's facing me, so I'm cooking okay. It's cooked, right? Don't worry.
This is lamb, I think. It's a little taste of gaminess, but not too bad. The spices are really nice. It's actually not too hot. It's really tasty. The meat's a little tough though, I must say. So, there's some like fat and cartilage here, so. Which is caramelized fat. It's good. Wow. These are grilled potato skewers. Looks like cucumbers and a lot of spicy peanut sauce. Whoa. Okay, here are the potato kebabs. It's seasoned with peppers and some hot sauce. Wow. Nice and spicy. Okay, this is the sour hoisin. It's actually congee, actually. But you see oysters. We ordered one with no shrimp, because I'm allergic, but you see ginger. Wow. This looks very rich. It is very thick too, so. See 1,000-year eggs. So, all right, we're gonna dig into this. This congee is like very thick. I feel the infusion of the seafood in here. It's very tasty. Wow. There's a really huge oyster in here, so it's very hot. Very juicy.
This one is duck blood.
Oh, duck blood.
Blood vermicelli. You got to make sure it boils before you can eat it. You know, like pig blood.
Okay.
This one is duck blood.
Okay. Wow. Looks pretty spicy. You see all the hot peppers there on the side? Yeah, looks pretty awesome. All right, let it cook. See the flame in there? Whoa. Another lamb kebab. I think they gave us 2 lamb kebabs and missed our beef, but you know what? This lamb kebab is pretty good, so. Okay, this duck blood boiled so we can eat it now. My chopsticks go. I gotta. Do you mind if I dip it in, guys?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, got one piece. Whoa. It's the duck blood.
It's soft, right?
Really, really soft. It's like a little bit salty. It's very delicate. It tastes really good. So sometimes like that stuff has like a metal taste to it, but this one doesn't. It's really tasty. Wow. Get another piece. It's good. Yeah, it's good.
Don't want to waste it right now. Don't you have more ice?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we continue our turn to ordering different dishes at every place. Kebab, you got the pickled cucumbers there. The congee with all sorts of seafood, especially the big oysters. This boiling vat is vermicelli. There was duck blood. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, so these are actually baby razor clams and it's baked on a bed of salt. You see all the salt here? It's gonna give it a nice salty flavor. So there's some ginger here too. So, all right, let's try one of these guys. Okay, I'm not sure peel it all. Whoa, look at that juice that flowed out. It's really tasty. It's all the juice that flowed out. Delicious. I'll try another one. Yeah. It's incredibly fresh. That taste of the ocean is so prevalent. This is really good. That's really good. Wow. And you taste that salt, that bake, that infused taste in the thing. So good. Day 2 of our food tour through Shenzhen, China was amazing. We had such incredible food. And the key was, it was a diverse range of food and every dish was different than the one before. Just thinking about the last restaurant we went to, it had such incredible seafood. We had this incredible congee with seafood in it and giant oysters. It was so tasty, juicy. We also had those oysters on a shell, and that was delicious. Finally, we had duck's blood with vermicelli. That was so good. In any event, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, so you do not miss future videos, including more videos from our tour through China. Next up is Daipang, and that's going to be very, very exciting for me.